How to hide your post from someone on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide your post and your story from someone on Insta. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Instagram. And after you open up your Instagram, if you've just posted a picture and you want to hide it from someone, there is no actual way you can just isolate someone from your account to hide it. The only way that you can do it is by blocking them. So open up that person's profile and then tap on the top right corner on the three dots. After you tap on the three dots, there you should find an option called block. Simply tap on the block button to block that person. Tap on the block button, and after you do that, that person will not be able to see your messages, or they will not be able to see your profile as well. After you block them, yeah, that is how you hide your post from someone. Now that is the first way, and that is for just hiding your post from that person. Now the other way that you can actually hide your story from someone is by opening up your story. Tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner and head over to story settings. Tap on the three dots and there you should find story settings. Head over to story settings, and after you head over to story settings, there you will find hide story from option on the top. Now simply select the person that you want to hide your story from and then tap on done on the top right corner. After you do that, that person will not be able to see your stories on Instagram. And yeah, that is basically it. That is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.